I'm First Alert meteorologist Stefano DiPietro. Flash flooding threat and now a severe weather threat for the upcoming weekend, with rain developing across the mid-state starting Saturday morning, then getting more widespread, steadier and heavier throughout the day and even into the overnight. The amount of rainfall that we're going to get just in and itself is enough for ponding on roadways, flooding in poor drainage areas, and even for some rivers, creeks, and streams to rise as well. 3 to 5 inches of rain is going to come down across most of the mid-state through Saturday and Saturday night. And we also have that severe threat coming Saturday evening and overnight as well. Gusty winds, heavier downpours, even an isolated tornado will be on the table. So make sure you stick with us here on WSMV4 for the latest updates.